focus is here. Okay, so we're going to add a hardware setup. Okay, it's gonna be embedded system, so then we can pick up the counting of this flashing LEDs that you see here. Okay, and in simple term, the representation of the pulse is square wave. Okay, we're going to count how many square wave we're going to get. So that's what you see there. It's a PWM signal. It's what we're gonna get, and we're going to count how many times this LED turn on. And remember, turn on is on. This is on, and off. What is at the bottom? That's what the state off means. Okay, so we're going to count how many times the LED is going to flash. Then we need a hardware with a camera, so then we can pick up the flashing of the LED. So we have multiple choices. We can use, for this system, we'll use a ESP32 camera modules. You can maybe you can use this one. This is like an example of a ESP32 camera modules. Okay, you can use this model. These two are just similar, or if you don't want them to use this model, you can either use this model that you see here. Okay, this model. And for this example, for the sake of this example, we use this type of ESP32 camera modules. It's called TTGO, that a name that you see, TTGO T-Camera Basics. This is the one we're going to use, and the camera is 2 megapixel. Okay, this is the type of camera we're going to use, and it comes with a PIR sensor. It's what you see here, and this camera, it's 2 megapixel. Okay, and OLED display. This is the display that you see here. Okay, and you got the STM lens. If you check, we see it. Okay, now our main focus, we're only going to integrate the OLED screen. This is the screen that we're going to use to display the information on. We're going to use the camera modules just you see here, and that will be all. Okay, so, and what you see on this side is just another electricity unit, and this is like the number of flashing that you're gonna get from this LED blinks, and impulse by kilowatt hour. This is what define how many times we're going to, for the unit to decrease, the electricity bill to decrease, you need to reach to close to 1000 blinks. So then you're going to decrease -1 unit, which is -1 kilowatt hour. Okay, and the impulse, it's just a, for the LED to go on and off. This is like the PWM signal that we send to this LED, turn it on and off. Okay, so you don't need to concern yourself with this. Our main focus, it's inside the ESP32 camera, and how we're going to position. Here is an example of how you can set up your ESP32. So we're going to put the ESP32, the camera, right to the LED, the flashing LED. So you can see we got the camera is actually somewhere here, and then the LED pointed toward the LED, so then we can pick up the brightness the flashing of the LED. Every time that the LED flash on, toggle to on and off, we'll be able to pick up the counting and count the number of pulse that we get.